In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write an automatic AI email in Gmail with just one click. This is a fantastic way to save time and enhance your productivity, especially if you find yourself sending similar types of emails regularly. So, let's dive in and explore how you can simplify this process with the power of AI. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. This is where all the magic is going to happen. Now, in order to start creating automatic AI-generated emails, you need to have an AI writing tool that integrates with Gmail. There are several options available on the market, and most of them offer seamless integration to help you get started quickly. Once your chosen AI tool is installed and integrated, open up Gmail. You'll see a button or an icon that wasn't there before. This is the tool that allows the AI to generate content. Click on this button to access the AI features. This button usually provides options to write, rephrase, or even generate new content based on a few initial instructions you provide. Here's where the AI magic really begins. You'll need to provide the AI with a bit of context for your email. Think about the key points you want to address. Maybe it's a newsletter, a thank you note, or a follow-up on a project. Type in a few keywords or short phrases that encapsulate the main themes of your email. This part is crucial because the AI relies on the information you provide to generate a relevant and cohesive email. Once you've entered the necessary keywords or context, click the Generate button. The AI will use its algorithms to craft a complete email, filling in the details around your input. It usually takes just a few moments for the AI to create this draft, which you can then modify to better suit your specific needs. Review the email to ensure it matches the tone and style you're aiming for. Small tweaks might be necessary to capture your personal touch, but the bulk of the work will be done. Before you hit send, always double-check the email for any errors or awkward phrasing. Even though AI is incredibly advanced, it's important to maintain a level of oversight to avoid any potential miscommunications. Make sure everything aligns with your intended message, adjust any necessary elements, and then send it off to its recipient. And there you have it, an automatic AI email in Gmail, written with just one click. This process not only saves you time but also allows you to focus more on the important tasks that require your attention. So next time you're drafting an email, give this method a try and experience the convenience it brings to your digital communication. Happy emailing!